Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you about my daily activities in Oil and Gas Academic. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Irfan Ridho Nugraha from class 1B and I'm from Malang. Okay, let's go. Every day of my life as a student at Oil and Gas Academic, living in a dormitory has taught me discipline, independence, and responsibility, and these values shape how I go through each day. My daily routine may seem simple, but behind it lies a process of learning, physical endurance, and personal growth. I usually start my day early in the dormitory. The atmosphere in the morning is calm, but full of preparation. I get myself ready for campus activities, organize my belongings, and make sure everything I need for the day is prepared. At exactly 7 a.m., I leave the dormitory to go to campus. As a first-year student, I usually go to campus on foot. Walking has become part of my daily habit. I enjoy walking because it helps me stay healthy, improve my stamina, and give me time to think calmly before starting lectures. However, I must admit that there are days when I feel tired and lazy, especially when academic activities are intense or when my body feels exhausted. Even so, I still try to maintain this habit because I know it brings long-term benefits. The journey to campus on foot also gives me a chance to observe my surroundings and appreciate the small things around me. It helps me mentally prepare for lectures and training sessions. Once arrive on campus, I begin my academic activities. As a academic oil and gas student, my lecturers require focus, discipline, and physical readiness. The learning environment trains us not only intellectually, but also mentally and physically. At around 11:15 a.m., I return to the dormitory for lunch during the Isoma break. This time is very important for me. I do not only use it to eat, but also to take care of myself spiritually and physically. I always make time to take a shower, perform prayers, and rest. This routine helps me refresh my body and mind before continuing lectures in the afternoon. Even a short rest during this break greatly affect my energy and concentration for the rest of the day. At 1:45 p.m., I head back to campus to continue my lectures. The afternoon sessions require strong focus because fatigue, fatigue often begins to appear. However, I try to stay committed and disciplined. I remind myself of my goals and the reason why I choose to study at academic oil and gas. This motivation keeps me moving forward. Even when the day feels long, campus activities usually end at 5 p.m. When lectures are finished, my day does not end there. Instead of using the remaining time only to rest, I choose to stay active. In the late afternoon or evening, I spend my time exercising. Sports have become an important part of my daily life. I often go running, playing basketball, or playing volleyball with my friend. Running helps me release stress and maintain my endurance, while basketball and volleyball allow me to socialize, build teamwork, and improve my physical fitness. Exercising in the evening give me a sense of satisfaction. It helps me clear my mind after a long day of academic activities. Even when my body feels tired, and I feel mentally refreshed and more relaxed after exercising. Sports also teach me consistency, discipline, and perseverance, values that are very relevant to my life as a student at oil oil and gas academic. Living in a dormitory environment also influence my daily life. I learn to manage my time efficiently, adapt to shared living space, and maintain discipline in every activities. Every day is a combination of learning, physical training, rest, and self-improvement. Although there are moments when I feel exhausted or unmotivated, I believe that this routine is shaping me into a stronger and more responsible individual. In conclusion, my daily life as a oil and gas academic student is not just about attending lectures. It is about building habits, maintaining discipline, and balancing academic responsibilities with physical health. Walking to campus, managing my time during breaks, staying active through sports, and living in a dormitory environment have all become essential part of my journey. Through this routine, I continue to grow, learn, and prepare myself for future challenges. During my morning activities on campus, I am not only involved in classroom lectures but also in practical learning and discipline-based routines. As a student at Oil and Gas Academic, the learning process requires seriousness, accuracy, and responsibility. Sometimes we work in groups, discuss technical materials, or practice problem solving related to the oil and gas industry. These activities train me to think critically, communicate effectively, and work as a part of a team. Even though the schedule can be demanding, I try to stay focused and actively participated in every session. In addition, interaction with friends and lecturers becomes an important part of my daily campus life. I often exchange ideas with classmates, share experience, and support each other during challenging lessons. This environment helps me grow not only academically but also socially. I learned how to respect others, manage difference, and build cooperation. These moments may seem simple, but they play a big role in shaping my character and preparing me for the professional world in the future.